Insurance. In today's world, where the life is very uncertain. No guarantee that the business will always run smoothly. No confidence that the business will never suffer an unexpected loss. So while we cannot protect our interests against all risks, we can opt for some security in the form of insurance to protect the uncertainty. Due to this reason, insurance has become one big sector of today's economy. In today's video we will learn about what is insurance. Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Insurance is a very crucial to our day-to-day life, so don't miss the information by skipping this video. Please stay with us till the end for you to understand the basics of insurance. When you come across the word insurance, there must be a lot of questions arising in your mind, like definition or meaning of insurance. Why should we take insurance? How does insurance work? Different types of insurance, etc., etc. We will cover how does insurance work and different types of insurance in another video. In this video we will cover the definition of insurance along with the importance of taking insurance. Definition of insurance. Insurance is a contract between two parties, insured and insurer, where the insurer agrees to compensate the insured for loss or damage caused by specified events in exchange for payment of a premium. It is a risk management tool that helps people or businesses to protect themselves financially from potential losses or damages caused by unexpected events. In simpler terms, insurance may be understood as person willing to spend small periodic amounts of money against a possibility of a huge unexpected loss. Basically, all the policyholder pool their risks together. Any loss that they suffer will be paid out of their premiums which they pay. We have to be very clear in our minds that insurance is not taken to earn profit. Basically, insurance is designed to make a loss whole. In the simplest terms, a loss occurs when things you own are destroyed or reduced in value. If your house burns to the ground, insurance will provide the funds to rebuild it. The idea is to pay for your actual losses without allowing you to make money. This is what an insurer means by making the loss whole. So, now you know what is insurance. Now let us understand why should we take insurance. Insurance is taken to provide financial protection against unexpected events or losses. It helps to mitigate the financial impact of unforeseen events such as death, injury, illness, property damage, or theft, by transferring the risk to an insurance company. This way, insurance helps to ensure financial stability and security, and reduces the financial burden on individuals and families during difficult times. Additionally, insurance can also provide peace of mind by providing coverage for events that may be beyond our control. Well, we hope that at the end of this video you have learned all about the basics of insurance and its importance. Thank you.